Hey guys, it's Saga from TechWorks, and today let's unbox and take a look at the Realme X. You guys have been asking me to cover it on the channel, so I ordered it in the first sale on Flipkart. I ordered space blue colored Realme X with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for 19,999 rupees. If you want, there is also a 4GB RAM and 128GB storage option at 16,999 rupees. With price out of the way, let us get straight into the box and see what all do we get with this Realme X. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. That way, you won't miss out on any of the amazing videos coming up on this channel. As we open the box, we are greeted with this envelope which says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." And this envelope contains a case, some paperwork like user's guide and warranty and regulatory information, and a SIM tray ejection pin. I like the cases that Realme include with their phones. They are thicker and tougher than most of the TPU cases that other manufacturers include, and they actually provide a good amount of protection to the phone. Then we have the phone, which I am going to put aside for a few moments as we look at what else do we get in the box. With this Realme X, you get a 20-watt Whoop charger in the box. It is nice to see companies including fast charger with a mid-budget smartphone instead of making you buy them separately. And finally, there is this USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging and data transfer. Alright, now let's keep all these things aside and get back to the phone. As I already mentioned, I got the space blue colored phone. I wanted to get the white one, but by the time I could place my order, white Realme X with 8GB of RAM was already out of stock. As you can see, with the protective plastic, I am also removing the IMEI sticker from the back, and when you get this or any other phone, make sure you remove this sticker as well. Moving on, with all the stickers peeled off, back of this phone looks really cool with these gradient colors. Now this back is made of plastic, but at the front, you get Gorilla Glass 5 protection for the display. It seems like there is a screen protector pre-installed. I am going to leave it on until I order a better one for the protection of this big display. Speaking of the display, Realme X comes with a 6.53-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. Keeping the modern design in mind, Realme X doesn't come with a notch for the selfie camera, giving us a large display without any distractions and very small bezels all around. The selfie camera is hidden in phone's body and it can pop up whenever you need to use it. Taking a look around the device, at the top we get a noise cancelling microphone and the pop-up selfie camera in the middle. On the right side, we get a power button and the SIM tray above it. Volume buttons are on the left side, and at the bottom we get a speaker grill, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, primary microphone, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Coming to the back, other than this awesome gradient color and Realme branding, the main and only thing here is the dual camera setup. Just like on all the recent phones that we have seen, primary camera gets the 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.7 aperture and a 26mm lens. Secondary camera gets the 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The motorized front-facing camera gets a 16MP sensor with f2.0 aperture and a 25mm wide lens. I haven't spent a lot of time with these cameras yet, but don't worry, we will take a much detailed look at the cameras on this phone in a dedicated camera review. We did not see a physical fingerprint sensor at the back of this phone because the Realme X comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Realme says that this sensor is 44% larger and it has a much better dynamic range, all of which means it is fast and accurate and gets the job done in no time. Inside, the Realme X packs in Snapdragon 710 processor, Adreno 616 GPU, 4 or 8GB of RAM coupled with 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage and a 3765 mAh battery. While the battery capacity is a bit less compared to the Realme 3 Pro, it should still last you for an entire day. And when it's time to charge it up, the 20-watt Whoop charger tops it up pretty quickly. Software-wise, Realme X is running on ColorOS 6, which is built on top of Android Pie. I'm not a big fan of this particular skin of Android, but I will give it a try for the next few weeks and let you guys know what I feel about it in the full review. What I am looking forward to most is comparing its cameras with some other smartphones that I currently have. I like the way Realme X feels in my hands, but after having used few phones with a glass back in the last couple of months, I must say this plastic bag doesn't give you a premium feel. But this is just my initial impression and it might very well change as I use this phone for a longer time. So this has been my unboxing and a few quick initial thoughts about the Realme X after setting it up for the first time. I'm going to use it for the next few weeks together with the Redmi K20 Pro, which I am also testing right now. I will also compare its speed, features, performance and cameras with some other smartphones. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel as there are going to be a lot of videos in the coming days. Other than that, if you want any specific videos about this phone or if you have any other questions regarding this Realme X, feel free to let me know in the comments and I will try and address them in my upcoming videos. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.